Hello everyone and welcome back to Rosie's Reviews. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already and hit the button down below to get notifications. Alright, so let's get started. Today I am reviewing the Selfie Ring Light XL19. I will leave the link down below so you can check it out and see if this is something that you need. So sometimes you're taking selfies and you're doing it with friends, or you're just doing it for outfit of the day, whatever you want to do for makeup reviews. This light can help you with that. So I'm very excited to try it out. A lot of people do the ring lights to do videos like this one. In this instance, I'm not using it because I want to see, how good this light is. I just want to show you guys, and so let's try it out. So it's Selfie Ring Light. Comes with the light and it comes with the USB charger. So it doesn't require batteries, and it's like this. And it has that opening right there that clips to your phone, and it comes in 3 different settings. There's that one, and like a warm one. So 3 different ones, and it does have that right here. It has where you can charge it, and it only requires like a couple of hours of charging, and it lasts a few hours. So I'm very excited to try it out, especially with spring coming up and then summer and traveling, whatever you want to do. This is great for taking selfies. So let's try it out and let's see how we like it. Also, follow me on Instagram, Rosie's Reviews Official. All right, so let's take a look. So here's my phone. I have an iPhone 10. Let's see. Let's clip that over. So here's the phone, and let's clip it over the camera. There it is. All right, and that's what it looks like. All right, so now that it's clipped on, I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of myself without it, with it off, and then I'm gonna do it with all 3 settings, and I'll show you guys in a minute a slideshow of all of them. So let me take a look, and let's do selfie number 1. All right, and then I just turned it off and it's good to go. And it's easy, and what's nice about it is that it is easy to travel with. So you can put it in the back of your pocket, in your wristlet, wherever you want to carry it. It's small, it's petite, it's travel size. So I'm very excited to have it with me, and I'll show you in a minute. If you like the pictures, let me know what you think. But I think it works great. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.